Hey guys, it's Jeff Moeller. Are you going to buy a home this fall? If you do and you have a home inspection, which you should on your house, you want to make sure that you also include a sewer line inspection. Why? These sewer line inspections aren't normally part of your home inspection. They're an extra inspection. Some home inspectors are now offering that as part of their service as an add-on. So you want to make sure that you have a camera inspection of the sewer line. Why? To replace a sewer line can cost $5,000 to $8,000 or more. And this is not something you want to find out as soon as you move into the house. You want to have this inspection done so you can negotiate your contract and have the seller address this issue before you move in. Many times people will buy a house and not realize that their sewer line has been crumbling and needs to be replaced. This is a major expense that is avoidable as long as you have a sewer line inspection. So again, if you're buying a house, don't forget to have your sewer line inspection. And as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always here to help. Thank you. Have a great day.